Welcome to the Network Plan Plus BAO. In this video, you will learn how to register with the Network Plan Plus BAO quickly and easily. To begin the registration process, click on Become a Member. The registration form will open. Click on Start Registration. In the first step, please fill in all the details about your company. The address you provide will also be used as your billing address. As the Network Plan Plus BAO is exclusively for tradespeople, self-employed individuals, and companies, you must provide your VAT ID or tax number. In the founding year field, please enter the year in which your company was founded. For example, 1995. Finally, select your company size and business segment, and then click on Continue. In the second step, please select your area of interest. This selection is crucial, as you will only receive updates relevant to this topic. If you select We do not wish to receive any updates, you can still register as a member and enjoy all the benefits of the network, but you will not receive any updates yourself. If you are unsure, please select Planning and Construction Industry. This will allow you to receive all available updates, offers, and requests from all areas. Then click on Continue. In the third step, you can specify which contact persons in your company will receive updates from the Network Plan Plus BAO. You must fill in at least the details of the main contact person. Please note that the email address of the main contact person will be used to send the invoice after registration. Additional contact persons are optional, and a maximum of 4 contact persons are possible in total. Then click on Continue. In Step 4, we need your consent to the privacy policy and our terms and conditions. By clicking on the respective PDF icon, you can read the privacy policy and the terms and conditions. Then click on Continue. In the fifth and final step, you will see a summary of the provided information. Please check your details carefully again and, if necessary, click on Edit to change the details if required. Once you have checked all the details, please tick the box I confirm that all details have been filled in correctly, and then click on Register for Membership. Congratulations! You have successfully registered with the Network Plan Plus BAO. An employee will now review your registration, after which you will receive the invoice by email. Once the invoice amount has been paid, you will receive your login details by email, and you are now a member of Network Plan Plus BAO for the next 12 months. If you have any questions, our support team is always available to help. Welcome to the Network Plan Plus BAO.